And thanks for using our tires. That's great. I appreciate that.
Okay. What tires are those? Oh,
From Coker Tire, yeah.
Yeah. I've used a lot of your tires over there.
Well, thank you. Wow, how'd you come across this Lightweight?
Well, you know, there was I have kind of a history and love for these cars. His estate, his family. He had a collection of old drag cars. And he was in Parker, Arizona. You know Parker, Arizona?
I do.
Where
yeah.
are you from?
Southern California originally, where I'm in Chattanooga, Tennessee, where Coker is now.
And I had given a call to the son, and I live in Palm Springs area.
Oh, okay.
So I says, you know, I've heard that you've got a bunch of, you know, your dad had a bunch of old drag cars, and he says, yeah, and I says, you're going to be selling them? He says, yeah. He says, our family's not really that interested. So I says, so what do you got? And so we started listing all these cars, and I says, can I be out there tomorrow morning about 8 o'clock? So here's what he had. He had a 63.5 Galaxie Lightweight.
Wow.
He had a 64 Thunderbolt that I bought. And then I bought this. He had a 64 Galaxie with a camera motor, sock motor.
Oh, nice, yeah.
He had a 69 Talladega.
Did you buy the camera?
I already have it.
Oh, okay.
So no, I didn't buy that. Let me see. Oh, and he had 4 lightweight AFX Mopars.
Oh, nice, yeah.
One of them was an altered wheelbase.
Wow.
And they were all under about that much dust. Seriously, you talk about a barn.
Yeah.
So we haggled around, and it took me a couple years, but I eventually got all the cars that I wanted.
Oh, good for you.
I did that 7 or 8 years ago.
Nice.
So I restored the Thunderbolt, and I recently sold it, but I have the 2 Galaxies. This one's pretty original. This paint is 35 years old.
Oh, really? That's nice, man. It shows super good.
Well, it hasn't been seen by the public in over 35 years.
Oh, really? Oh, is this the first time? Wow, that is amazing. Thanks for bringing it out.
Yeah.
Man, it just like stopped me in my tracks.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, and it's got quite a motor in it.
Yeah, it's got a 427 high riser in it, right? Yeah. But I love that teardrop scoop and the cold air induction they put on these. It's just super cool.
Yeah.
And I love all the cheap stuff they did just to keep it light, right? And so it's such a cool car.
My 63 has got the sun visors are cardboard.
Yeah.
and of course the 63's got fiberglass front fenders, hood, deck lid, aluminum bumpers.
This 64,
one doesn't have any.
right? But didn't they acid dip?
Yes.
So the whole body, or just the whole body? That's what I thought.
Yeah. 3,750 pounds.
Yeah. Yeah. And what did a standard big block Galaxie weigh at 64?
It was about 4,000.
Yeah. So yeah, definitely took a lot of weight out of it.
It's got a lighter frame. It's got a Galaxie 400 frame, which is what they put 289s when they. So it's a thinner wall frame. Drag race. Yeah.
What have you turned in it?
The best time was 11:29, 124.
So did Gas Ronda actually own this car?
No, he sold it.
He sold it. Okay.
He was a high-performance salesman at downtown Ford.
Okay.
And my uncle was a famous Ford guy, Les Ritchey.
Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm. And I used to work for Les. Les died in '66 in an AFX accident, and I used to work for him at his shop, and we used to prepare all of Gas's cars and build the motors and Butch Leo and all those. So that's where I got.
Dang, that's a blast from the past Butch.
Yeah. And I had a 63
Those are smart guys, though, man.
20s. Oh yes.
Oh yeah, 63 lightweight in your 20s.
20s. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, I used to street race that in Pasadena. That's where I was from. Yeah. Yep.
So what else did they do to this car to make it lighter? So the chassis,
just the frame and the fiberglass.
Teardrop, right?
No.
Oh, it's a 100% fiberglass head?
Yes.
Okay.
And no radio,
Right.
heater, defroster, seam sealer, a little thin rubber mat.
Yeah, I love that.
This is all original.
Isn't that cool?
this is all original, and I mean it is really thin. And then there's the placard that it's kind of a disclaimer that Ford put in these lightweights.
Oh.
It says that this is built for competitive use only, and any future buyers don't hold us accountable for poor fitting panels. And that's what that says.
Were the Stuart Warner gauges factory?
No.
No, somebody put it on
They
after.
were added.
Yeah.
I mean, this was an actual drag car. So.
Okay, so yeah.
I left it period correct. For the racing.
Very cool.
And you see some little grease on some of the back of the seats. That's how the racers used to do it. They'd go in the pits. They were their own mechanics.
Exactly.
They'd get their hands greasy, put their hand on the seat, then jump in it and make a run. So I left all that the same.
Oh, very nice. Well, very respectful restoration. I love it when you do things like this. This is crazy.
Yeah, so you could certainly do whatever you like with it.
Oh, thank you. Well, gorgeous car, man. Thank you for showing us around a little bit on it.
Yep.
Thank you for your
Yep.
business. We appreciate you putting our tires
Yep.
on it.
Yep.
And really looks great, man. Just a wonderful car. Must be a blast to drive. What's it like to drive it?
It's a handful.
Yeah.
I mean, the way that this is set up, it's either on or off.
Yeah.
And the same with the clutch. I mean, the clutch has got about that much from fully engaged to not engaged. So it's a handful. Shift point is 7,500.
Nice,
RPM,
yeah.
So, with those mechanical lifters
Yeah.
and the production system.
Which is, that's a lot for a 427.
Yes, it is.
That's spinning it up there pretty tight, so.
Yes, it is. Yes, it sure is. It's the motor's 14-to-1, and it's 110 race gas that I put.
Wow. Yeah, so this is
So
going to
it
smell
smells
pretty good when you fire it up here in a little bit.
It smells great.
All righty, take care. It was very nice meeting you.